All right. I have made an ingenious invention. And it is a test rig, because I couldn't make any sense out of the wiring on the engine of my Fairchild 24, which is a Warner 165 radial. And this is the Eclipse 309 generator that was in it. And so I've got a test rig set up. And so I've got the A minus here. The A minus is going to ground. Scary, but it works. And then the A and the F over here with the double, the F, the field, is going to the battery's negative. And the A plus, the armature, the power, more or less, is going into this multimeter and then back out and then into the positive terminal. So let's see if I can do this without killing myself. I need 3 arms. So I gotta move this up to take the tension off. Yeah, bear with me for a second. Flick the switch, starts to turn. Bring it down, slows it up, and look, it works, it works. I'm astonished. And it means I don't need a new generator. And what's wrong in my airplane is either the regulator or the wiring to or from it. Way! I'm happy.